Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Unit 14, Transportation in Plants and Circulation in Animals. Last class, the same unit, we saw root air water absorbing unit, pathway of water absorbed by root, types of movement in the root cells, transpiration, importance of transpiration. This video we are going to see from 14.6 to 14.9 units. First one, root pressure, uptake of minerals, translocation of mineral ions, then phloem transport. This topic we will see one by one in detail. Now let us see first one, root pressure. Root pressure is a force or hydrostatic pressure generated in the roots that help in driving the fluids and other ions from the soil in upward direction into the plant's vascular tissue, that is xylem. Minerals, ion, actively transported into the vascular tissue of the root. Water moves along and increases the pressure inside the root. That is xylem. The pressure is called root pressure. Due to the transpiration pull, the pressure will create the smaller height of the stem, the water is moving upward. The pressure is called root pressure and responsible for pushing water into smaller height of the stem. Next we will see uptake of minerals. Plants depend on the minerals from the soil. The uptake of nutrients occurs at both the roots and leaves. Water and minerals, carbon dioxide, ions may be taken up by the plant cells by two methods. One is passive method, another one is active method. Passive method does not use the energy, but active method use energy in the form of ATP. The plant depend minerals. All minerals cannot be passively absorbed by the root. All minerals cannot be absorbed by the root passively. Two factors account for this. Minerals are present in the soil as charged particles. The minerals are present in the soil, charged particles, ion, that cannot move across the membrane. The charged particles cannot move across the membrane. The concentration of minerals in the soil usually lower than the concentration of root. Therefore, the most minerals enter into the root by active absorption. Most of the minerals enter into the root active absorption through the cytoplasm of epidermal cell. This need energy in the form of ATP, then it transported to all parts of the path by transpiration pull. So active transport only, most of the ions and minerals enter into the root. Now translocation of minerals. Minerals are mobilized from the older dying leaves to younger living leaves. That is, the plant's leaves slowly getting aged, they will die. That time the minerals are remobilized, moved to young leaves, that is remobilized. This phenomenon can be seen in the deciduous plants. Elements like phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen and potassium are easily mobilized, while elements like calcium are not mobilized. Calcium are not mobilized. Some small amount of minerals exchange takes place between the xylem and phloem. Some minerals alone exchange takes place through phloem and xylem. This phenomenon is called translocation of minerals ion. Next, phloem transport. Food is synthesized by the leaves or transported by phloem, enter into the area of requirement or stored. Phloem transported food from the leaves to other parts of the plant. From the leaves. The leaves is source. Source means creating food. Phloem tissue is composed of sieve tube which have sieve plates. Cytoplasmic strands pass through the pores in the sieve plates. The phloem transport food source, sucrose, in the form of sucrose, from a source to sink. Source means where the food is prepared, that is leaf. Sink means where the food is required or stores the food. But the source and sink may be reversed depending on the season or the plant's need. Some season the leaf does not create prepared food. That time the stores food distributed all the parts of the plant. That is reversed depending on the season. Since the source and sink relationship is variable, sometimes the food is moved from the source to the sink. Sometimes the food is moved from the sink to the other part of the body. The direction of movement in the phloem can be upward or downward according the season. That is bidirectional. Bi means two, both the direction. You see in this diagram, blue color phloem, the arrow mark is up and down. That is two-way flow. Water and food is flowing two-way. The cells have end wall. All the cells is circled in shape. They have end wall in the phloem. Next is xylem. You see the xylem in pink color diagram. Only one unidirectional, upward directional. No cell end wall is present. Here the water is moving upward only. That is called unidirectional. Phloem is bidirectional. Xylem is unidirectional. This is phloem transport. Thank you.